Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between Cloudron versus N8N. Cloudron is a platform that simplifies the deployment, management, and scaling of web applications on your own server. It's designed for individuals or teams who want to host and manage multiple web applications in a unified environment without the need for deep technical knowledge. Cloudron provides a large catalog of pre-packaged, self-hosted apps which can be installed and managed with a single click, example, Nextcloud, WordPress, GitLab, etc. It automatically manages backups and updates so you don't have to worry about manual maintenance. Cloudron is built for teams offering user management, role-based access, control, and easy collaboration. It provides built-in SSL certificates, automatic firewall management, and multi-factor authentication. Cloudron has its own app store where you can browse and install various open-source software solutions, making it easy to create a self-hosted environment. It is designed to simplify self-hosting with an intuitive web interface, perfect for those who want to avoid complex server management tasks. Cloudron is used for hosting and managing web apps for personal or businesses use, such as file sharing, CRM, project management, etc. It is used in simplifying the deployment and management of self-hosted applications without needing advanced technical skills. It is used in running multiple web applications in a unified, easy-to-manage platform. While N8N is an open-source workflow automation tool, it allows you to automate tasks and processes by connecting various services, apps, and APIs. It's similar to tools like Zapier, but it is self-hosted and gives you more control and customization. N8N helps you create workflows that automate tasks, such as syncing data between apps, sending notifications, and processing data. N8N supports integrations with many apps and services, example Google Sheets, Slack, Twitter, GitHub, and more. You can create automated tasks between different platforms with minimal effort. You can create workflows visually using a drag and drop interface, and the tool also allows for advanced customization through JavaScript. Being open source, N8N allows you to host it on your own infrastructure, giving you full control over your data and workflows. For advanced users, N8N allows for JavaScript scripting within workflows, providing powerful flexibility. N8N is completely free to use with a strong community and support for customization. N8N is used for automating repetitive tasks between apps like syncing data, posting content, or processing information from various sources. It is used in creating complex workflows that integrate with APIs and services in a self-hosted environment. Businesses or developers looking to save time by automating processes and tasks without having to rely on third-party services. Choose Cloudron if you are looking to easily host and manage multiple web applications in a self-hosted environment with minimal server management and automation needs. While choose N8N if you want to automate workflows and tasks across various apps and services, and you are looking for a powerful customizable solution to create integrated workflows. So basically, this is the difference between Cloudron versus N8N. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.